Finally, we're talking Aveng, which is an infrastructure development company with the usual engineering bylines and what. Grinaker, LTA, those are the brands you would have been familiar with. Those are all incorporated into this company. Market cap of only 1.3 billion rand. The group, believe it or not, had a high share price in 2008 of 65 rand, and it currently trades at 3 rand. Not currently profitable, not paying dividends, currently restructuring its balance sheet by selling properties. So you can tell it's stressed. Let's look at the share chart because we're going to run out of time. That, unfortunately, is an unhappy view. So that 65 rand share price was in 2008, which is not even on the chart, and you can see it now heading downwards.
Yeah, if you are seeing the recovery in the other companies, you're certainly not seeing it in Aveng yet. I mean, their dividend was cancelled in 2012, still no dividend. Yeah. I mean, they've swung from, they did make profits, I think it was last half, but swung back into, I think, a 300 million rand loss again in the most recent reported results. So it's a very difficult time for management. Again, like the strategy from management at the moment is really, I think, just bunker down. It doesn't seem like there's anything too innovative coming out of there other than focus on these underperforming operations and try desperately.
They do again, though, have an Australian operation, that's McConnell Dowell. So you're going to see it. And again, it's not as though there's nothing going on. They're still doing a fair amount of work related to infrastructure projects.
Yeah, I think, I mean, if you're talking about the work again, there was, I think, a 6% pickup in their order book, but one of the things that analysts have been very critical of is that they're taking on work at negative margins almost, and they should actually look at perhaps shrinking that order book, shrinking the size of the company, and only taking on profitable work to deliver more value for shareholders. It's not, it's not an easy one. It's difficult to see why I would want to go and allocate
so we're
capital.
going to call it not hot.
Yeah, I think not hot.